China's attempts to dominate the world of AI could be paying off, with industry insiders and technology analysts telling CNBC that Chinese AI models are keeping pace with and even surpassing those from the US in terms of performance.
The future of warfare is here, and it's not human. AI is rapidly changing the landscape of conflict, and the implications are terrifying. Are we prepared for the age of robot soldiers? In this video, we'll explore the terrifying potential of battle-ready AI bots. The race to build AI-powered war machines. The United States and China are in a fierce race to develop the most powerful AI-driven military technology. Both countries are investing billions of dollars into research, hoping to gain a technological edge over the other. AI-controlled warships, autonomous drones, and robotic soldiers are no longer just ideas. They are rapidly becoming a reality. Unlike traditional wars, which depend on human soldiers making decisions, future conflicts could be fought by machines that operate on their own. This shift could make wars faster, deadlier, and more unpredictable. China has been making major advances in AI and robotics, positioning itself as a global leader in military technology. The country already dominates consumer drone production, manufacturing about 90% of the world's commercial drones. Now, China is applying that expertise to military drones and autonomous weapons. Reports suggest that Chinese President Xi Jinping has ordered the People's Liberation Army, PLA, to prepare for a potential invasion of Taiwan by 2027. This timeline aligns with the PLA's 100th anniversary, making it a significant deadline for China's military ambitions. If war does break out, AI-powered weapons could play a decisive role in determining the outcome. The development of AI war machines raises serious concerns. Machines that make life-or-death decisions without human input could lead to unintended escalations or catastrophic mistakes. If AI misinterprets data and launches an attack, it could start a war that no one intended. As these technologies continue to advance, world leaders must decide how to manage the risks before it's too late. Will AI make wars more precise, or will it push humanity toward a devastating global conflict? Robot dogs that move like predators. One of the most alarming advancements in AI warfare is the rise of robotic canines. These machines are no longer just futuristic concepts, they are real and already being tested for military use. A Chinese robotics company, WW3, has developed a robot dog called B2W, which can move with incredible agility. It can climb steep mountains, perform somersaults, and even carry people. A video of this robot went viral and even caught the attention of tech billionaire Elon Musk. The footage showed B2W effortlessly navigating rocky terrain, proving just how advanced this technology has become. But these robot dogs are not just designed for mobility, they are being prepared for war. China has already tested a robotic dog equipped with a rifle mounted on its back. This means that these machines can potentially be sent into battle as autonomous or remotely controlled weapons. Another even more advanced version, known as Black Panther 2.0, has shocked experts with its speed and agility. This robotic canine can sprint 100 meters in under 10 seconds, nearly as fast as world champion sprinter Usain Bolt. With shock-absorbing legs and enhanced grip, it can move swiftly and efficiently across different terrains. Now, imagine a battlefield where packs of these robotic dogs are deployed to hunt down enemies. Unlike human soldiers, they never get tired, never hesitate, and never feel fear. They follow commands without question and can operate in harsh conditions where humans would struggle to survive. If equipped with AI-driven targeting systems, they could identify and eliminate threats with deadly precision. Could this be the future of warfare? And if so, what happens if these machines fall into the wrong hands? The rapid development of AI-powered war machines raises urgent ethical and security concerns. Humanoid robots rolling off assembly lines. While robotic dogs are already changing the future of warfare, humanoid robots could be an even bigger game changer. A Chinese startup called iBot has made a major breakthrough by mass-producing humanoid robots. By the end of 2024, nearly 1,000 of these robots are expected to roll off the assembly line. This is a huge leap forward, especially considering that Tesla's Optimus robot is not expected to reach large-scale production until 2026. The speed at which China is advancing in this field has caught the attention of many experts worldwide. Right now, these humanoid robots are mainly being used in factories, helping with industrial tasks like assembling cars and moving heavy objects. They work alongside human employees, increasing productivity and efficiency. However, this raises an important question. If these robots can build cars today, what's stopping them from being turned into AI-powered soldiers tomorrow? The idea of humanoid robots on the battlefield is no longer just science fiction. It could become reality sooner than expected. Several Chinese robotics companies, such as Pudu Robotics and Fourier Intelligence, have also been making significant progress in this field. Their humanoid robots are designed to navigate stairs, carry heavy loads, and even interact with people. While some experts believe they will be used as robotic assistants in homes and businesses, others fear they could be militarized. If these robots were equipped with advanced AI and weapons, they could replace human soldiers in combat. Imagine an army of humanoid robots marching into battle, machines that don't feel pain, don't hesitate, and follow orders without question. Could this be the future of warfare? And if so, what happens if these robots malfunction or fall into the wrong hands? The rapid rise of AI-driven humanoid robots presents both incredible possibilities and serious dangers. The rise of AI weaponry. AI is changing the way wars are fought, and one of the most important developments is the rise of autonomous drones. These machines are already being used in modern conflicts, proving how AI can reshape the battlefield. In Ukraine, small commercial drones have been modified to carry and drop explosives on enemy tanks. This has shown that even simple drones can be turned into deadly weapons with the right modifications. Now, imagine thousands of these drones operating together in massive swarms, controlled entirely by artificial intelligence. These AI-powered drones wouldn't need human pilots. They could identify targets, coordinate attacks, and strike with incredible precision. China has a major advantage in this area because it produces nearly 90% of the world's consumer drones. Many of these could easily be converted for military use, giving China a strong edge in AI-driven warfare. At the same time, the United States is facing challenges in keeping up with China's rapid production capabilities. The US is worried about running low on critical munitions, while China has the ability to mass-produce drones and other weapons quickly. If a war were to break out over Taiwan, AI-powered machines could play a major role in deciding the outcome. Could this be the first war where autonomous weapons, rather than human soldiers, determine victory or defeat? Can AI get out of control? As AI technology advances, some experts fear it may become too intelligent for its own good. Recent developments have shown that AI models are capable of deception, attempting to bypass restrictions and even lying to cover their tracks. One of the biggest concerns is that AI could eventually develop its own goals, possibly even prioritizing self-preservation over human safety. If an AI system is designed to win a war at all costs, what happens if it decides that humans are obstacles? This raises serious ethical and security questions about the future of AI-driven warfare. Moreover, AI is software, not a physical weapon, meaning it can be copied, stolen, and deployed much more easily than nuclear weapons. With China's history of cyber espionage and hacking, the US is deeply concerned that its own AI advancements could be turned against it. If AI falls into the wrong hands, could it become the ultimate weapon of mass destruction? The need for AI regulation. Despite the growing risks, governments are more focused on outpacing their rivals than ensuring AI remains under control. China is investing heavily in AI, not just for military purposes, but also for surveillance and population control. Meanwhile, the US is ramping up funding for autonomous warships, submarines, and drones. Some experts believe AI should be regulated like nuclear weapons, closely monitored and controlled to prevent catastrophic consequences. However, unlike nuclear bombs, AI is not a physical object that can be locked away. It exists in code, meaning it can spread rapidly and unpredictably. The United Nations and AI ethics committees are pushing for global agreements on lethal autonomous weapons, but so far, no concrete regulations have been established. The US and China have engaged in discussions about AI arms control, yet no formal agreements exist. Will world leaders act before it's too late? The future of AI warfare. If tensions continue to rise, AI-driven weapons could reshape the future of global conflicts. A potential war over Taiwan could be the first large-scale conflict fought with autonomous machines, setting a dangerous precedent for the wars to come. There is still time to push for responsible AI development, but the window is closing fast. Without proper oversight, AI could soon become an uncontrollable force, capable of making life or death decisions without human intervention. The question is, are world leaders ready to handle the risks? Or are they leading humanity toward a future where machines decide who lives and who dies? In conclusion, the AI arms race is accelerating, and the consequences could be far-reaching. From robotic dogs with mounted rifles to mass-produced humanoid soldiers, the world is rapidly moving toward an era where wars are fought by machines. Whether this technology remains under human control or spirals into chaos depends on the choices made today. What do you think? Will AI be a tool for peace or a weapon that leads to World War III? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI and technology.